What's up, guys? Whoa, it is super dark. Whoa, just the aperture. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. It is our day off. Technically it is not, because we gotta go clean, not queen, but clean an office, and then Jess is gonna clean a house while we fish behind of that house that she's gonna clean, if that makes sense. Alright, guys, the weather is like this. Hopefully it turns to the better, right, Jess? But and guess what? I don't know. Guess what, guys? You guys are coming along. Let's go. Alright, guys, we just went through McDonald's. What is that? Drive-through.
No.
And look what we got, guys. Woo! Look at that. Who out there loves McDonald's cookies? Yeah? Me. I do. I don't know. Anybody else? You get so quiet.
Me.
Who likes it?
Me.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, that thing's fresh. Fresh already.
Haha.
Clean already, you freaking forgot.
Yeah. And Jess got her favorite. Jess, show your favorite.
Taro pie.
Look at that, guys, upside down right there. Taro pie.
Let me see that, Mommy.
See, there you go. All right.
Mommy,
Taro pie.
Taro pie, guys.
Taro
Who out
pie.
there loves taro pie? Let us know down in the comments if you love taro pie, or even if you know what that means.
Taro pie.
Okay, heading to Puhi now, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, I got some good news. We don't have to clean the office. They said, you know what, the office is clean. Thank you. You can just come back next week. Yeah! Woohoo! Say yeah, Romeo! Awesome! So, one down, one more to go, guys. Real life here on Kauai. Owning a cleaning business. But, yeah, totally appreciate it. And now, we're gonna go fishing. Oh, Mr. Romeo and I are gonna go fishing while Jess cleans. But before that, we're over here at this coffee shop. It's called Kauai. We went over here last week. I know you guys probably already seen it in maybe 2 or 3 videos back. But I wanna drink that coconut chocolate cinnamon flavored one once again, guys. Woo! I'm gonna pair it up with McDonald's cookie. Woo! Oh man, there goes my diet right there, guys. Woo, man, that should be heaven, guys. But yeah, and then after that, we're gonna go over to probably Big Save to grab some bait, right, Mr. Romeo? We need some shrimp. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need some shrimp, and then yeah, we're gonna go fishing, guys. We're gonna try and do a catch and cook episode for you guys, and we're gonna go to a beach that I don't think I showcased. I think I did a long time ago. We brought we borrowed one of our clients' kayak, and we kayaked over there with Erica and her friends and all that. But that's way back, probably like 3 years ago. So yeah, I got the drone, so we're gonna fly the drone if it's not too windy, because in that area it's usually windy. But you know what, I'm gonna give it a try, guys. Other than that, yeah, waiting on Jess.
Oh my god.
All right, guys, check it out, guys. Check it out. Oh my god. So yeah, this thing is called Cocoa Almond Mocha. Like I said, we're over here at Kauai, K-O. Coffee shop, I guess. Oh, bakery and coffee in the Kauai Industrial, guys. This is like one of the best coffees I ever tasted, guys. Honestly, man.
Kamusta? Hurry up, son.
All right.
Because I got that.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. The audio probably sucks, so I'll probably do a voiceover. But yeah, we're over here at one of the beautiful beaches here near the Kapaa area. It's a little bit past Anahola area, but yeah, check it out, guys. Check out this little bay area here. Very, very beautiful. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fish, guys. So here's a little cooler. I got water, and I got some shrimp action going, guys. We're gonna hide that here a little bit. Let's see. Well, can't hide too much. Right over there. So yeah, just be using some shrimp. Got my basic fishing pole right here, and my trusty tackle box, guys. So yeah, it's probably too windy. You probably can't hear me. We got Mr. Romeo right over there, and check out that little island over there. Look at that. Look at that little island right over there, guys. So yeah, we're gonna try and catch something over here, guys. Let's see. Romeo, come on. Hey there, Romeo. Just watch me, okay?
Yeah. For me. See, Daddy. Yeah, good, Daddy. Daddy.
Fishing pole is broke.
Daddy here.
All the way. All right, good job. What is that? Oh. Okay, go, Romeo. Come on, reel it. Faster. Faster, oh, okay, bring it up. Bring it over there. Bring it over here. All right, good job. Wow, that's a pretty good size, Romeo. Good job. Holy moly. All right, Romeo, another one. Oh, that's a huge one, Romeo. Okay, let's go take a picture again. Let's go over there. Good job. My God, you're a good fisherman. Yeah, bring it over there before it gets loose. Over there. Okay, turn around then. Turn around. We're done. We're done fishing, and Jess is done cleaning this beautiful house. And hope you guys like that little fishing session, right, Jess? Now we're gonna go over to Kauai, because we heard that they have a brand new Foodland, and I think there's a whole bunch of restaurants too around there, I guess. I don't know. Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go.
This right here.
I don't know.
Wow,
guys, there's a whole bunch of
post
shop.
office right
this
there.
is a post. This is the post office. Okay, hold on. We gotta turn around.
Oh, right this is the future. What is that? The future.
Gather Credit, Federal Credit Union. Okay, guys, let's do a U-turn right here.
Oh, this is a dead end area.
Another one.
Yeah, man. This
Wow,
is a post office.
Yeah, post office. Let's see what else. My goodness, you got plenty stuff over here.
What is that thing? I don't
Okay,
know.
let's go inside. Well, let's go over here first. Let's go see what's all these little shops over here.
There's nothing shop right there. This is. I think that's
We got
right there.
shops. Look right here. Look, see. Kaiban Island Soup and canned. What? Oh, soap. Soup.
My God.
Sorry.
What?
Coffee roasters.
I don't know.
Wow, trippy. Oh, they're not. Most of them are not even open yet.
It's not open yet.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
What is this right here?
Oh, they're still
Building it.
they're still building over here, guys.
Maybe that's a Kilauea.
Kauai Market and Cafe.
Maybe that's the one.
I don't know. Let's
I don't know.
let's just go forward over there. Let's go take a look.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go take a look. What's going on over here?
I think that's the one right there.
What's going on over here?
Like a shave eyes.
Market
I
Cafe.
think that's the one.
This is probably like a health food store, like
Market.
papaya kind.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like, yep.
Yeah.
See. Oh, no wonder. It's not Foodland then. That's not Foodland.
That's why she said Foodland.
Trilogy Coffee, Tea, Edibles, Adaptogen Bar. What is that? Alright, guys, so we're over here at Whaler's General Store once again. in Alahola, guys. Look what we picked up. Right here, guys. Check it out. I picked up. Well, Jess actually got this for me. Thank you very much, honey bunny. Right over there. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Some lao action. So Jess and I are gonna chow down on that. Jess, we no more towel for over here? Yeah. And Mr. Romeo is knocked out big time in the back. Jess got her coffee, and she also got my monster right over there, guys. Alright, guys, I am hungry. Okay, peace out, man. Hi, Liza. Interview, Liza. What's going on, Liza? How was school today?
Good.
Good. Hi, Erica. How's the assignment? Really good. Oh, you have a boiled egg in there. You actually like egg?
Yeah. I got egg.
Yeah, I love egg
Right here.
in my assignment. Oh, you demolished it already, huh? Good job, honey. Romeo, go and eat your assignment. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, guys. Woohoo! Check it out. Catch and cook. We are finally done with the catch. We finally caught.
Not me.
Thank you, Romeo. Now we can do the cook part. Catch and cook. Alright. What is that, Jess? We got a, I think that's called a mamu, I think. A mamu fish. It's a reef fish. So Jess is cleaning it up with her makeshift descaler there because she still has not gotten the proper tool yet. What's going on, Jess?
We don't have right here.
Huh?
This
Scaler? You need a scaler.
we don't have right here. No more Walmart, no more Ross.
Yeah, for real?
No, I cannot
Oh my
find.
goodness.
I'm going
Might
to
have to go on Amazon then tonight and get you I think I said that like
Why do you
said
have
that
the one in
before, right?
Amazon?
Yeah, of course. Amazon pretty much has everything. Oh, you should have done this outside. I think it's going all over the place.
I know. I'm gonna clean
Ooh,
up.
what am I? Yeah, here we go. I think this is called a mamu fish right here. There we go.
Oh, maybe that's the place then it's good to catch them.
Oh yeah, when it's high tide then you can go.
But low tide is no can.
Yeah, low tide they get one. They rarely bite when it's low tide over there. But yeah, that place was pretty good, guys. Where should Jess go? Interview, Jess. Are you excited to go fishing over there, Jess? Yeah.
Long do you have plenty of fish?
Oh yeah, you're biting over there. You can even go with a kayak over there, or the stand-up paddleboard.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I'll do that. You can go fish. I can do stand-up paddleboard. I can go diving. Oh, had someone over there with a with a spear gun, guys. With a spear gun, but I didn't see anything that I don't think he caught anything there. All right, guys. Look at that. Look at Jess go. Ooh, and we got 2 glasses of this this Kentucky bourbon right there, and I got a splash of this and just a little bit more of the organic lemonade, guys. So that's the drink of choice, which is, you know, the choice mostly every night. But you know, it's not, you know, if we prefer the bullet bourbon, not this. This was on sale at the store. So there you go, guys. Just go. Jess, what are you doing now, Jess? Interview, Jess.
Well,
You are taking out the guts. Is that correct?
yeah.
Okay, be careful now. Don't cut yourself. Okay. You want me to do it, Jess? You want me to do it?
Yeah. Okay, go do it.
No, it's okay. I'm doing camera work right now.
Be quiet.
We got Erica over there. Hi, Erica. We're waiting for your first video. Yay! Who out there is waiting for Erica's first video? Let me know down in the comments. She has it all planned out already. Right, Erica? You have it all planned out? Is that correct? Alright, I'm excited to see. You know, don't make it all perfect and all that. You don't have to be all perfect, you know. Just publish it, man. Just get it going. Right, Liza? Okay, Liza is here too. Hi, Liza. Okay. learn how from your mom. Look at that. She's going off, guys. Be careful, honey. Careful.
Yeah, they're sharp.
Sharp. Okay.
Everything's
Yeah.
sharp.
Yeah. So he's picking up taking some steps there, guys. Alright. Yucky. Yucky. Yucky.
Well,
Oh, Jessie just opened up that thing, man. This reef fish. Wow. Well, I think pretty much I think it's some meat on top, eh? Oh, look at that. That's
you have
even
to
meat.
really clean up really good.
Yeah, cleaned up really good, honey. Poor fishy, thank you. But you know, we just harvested. Guys, did you guys know we just harvested food? That's what you guys should learn how to do instead of always buying from the stores. Harvest, you know, it's fresh, right, Jess? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. It feels good when you harvest your own food, guys. Thank you, Mr. Romeo, for harvesting. Mr. Romeo is a harvester. Yeah.
You should clean.
Wow, look at that. We're gonna probably put this on the grill. Is that correct, Jess?
Yeah.
Fly this on the grill. Eat this as an appetizer for tonight. Look at that. Wow.
Stay there.
Wow, guys, look at that. Holy camole, guys.
We have this filled.
Okay, now we got the other one over here. So we're gonna just cook 2 of them tonight, guys, for your viewing pleasure. And we got the 10-inch papillo over here. Yeah, there you go. You just made the regulation there. There you go. Wow.
Oh, it's really fresh. Look at that.
Fresh Boyardee, man. Man, look at that, guys. Jessie's just tearing it up. She's tearing it up. Careful, honey, but be careful. Alright. Okay, guys. Just seeing Jess in action right here. You guys a little trick here. Look at that. Wow, be careful, honey. Very enjoying this episode of catching fish here. Beautiful island of Kauai. Wow. Nice. Wow, that thing has some meat too, Jess. That's some meat action right there. Come over there. Yeah. All right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna head over to the grill. Good job, Jess. Good job.